YouTube friends and family. How are you today? I hope you are subscribed to the channel. I've been in stores doing shorts lately, showing you clearance. Even though I'm shopping a lot less, I am shopping. So I have a quick Home Depot haul for you. Now, if you watch my channel, my name is JC if you're new. But if you do watch my channel, you know that I own rental property and I own my own home. So I do look for hardware and things I can use in my properties on clearance. So I did catch a amazing up to 75% off sale at the Home Depot. So I found things that are great for use around the house and use in my own house. I only spent $31.17 on this stuff. Let's see, $31.17. You might be able to see it. I can't see it. Shoot my eyes. So $31.17. So I'm looking at this for price reference too. So I got these gloves. A 4-pack of Gorilla Gloves. This was $4.53 for a 4-pack of the Gorilla Grip gloves. This is the large. So based on size, that kind of affected the price. But these were a good sale. Then I have a keyed entry lock in a brushed nickel color. And this was keyed entry. I want to say this was $6. $6.03, but the regular price like $25. So $6.03, and it's a keyed entry. So if you want to lock your bedroom with those pew-pews in it while you're not home or gone for a long period, then that would be something great to have. I need this for my living room project that I'm still finishing up. Y'all know I'm a little bit slow with some of this stuff. But I'm finishing up my living room projects, hopefully in the next 2 weeks. And that'll be part 3 of this series. I'll link it. And I needed this. So that was, of course, regular price, $6.98. That was all I went into the store for. But I always check the clearance. And even if it's something I'm not buying, I will film sometimes if I have time for you. So I got small Gorilla Grips for my hands. You know, my son needs some and I need some. And these are Gorilla Grip. It's a 5-pair pack. And it was $3.88 for 5 pair. You cannot get this anywhere at the Dollar Tree. You'll be lucky to get 1 pair of good gloves at the Dollar Tree. And you're getting 5 pairs for $3.88. Then, okay, so this must be the one I'm putting in my room. And then I'm going to put one at the back door. Then we have another key entry. So they were different prices depending on the color you were getting. And this one was $4.53. Again, these retail regular over 20 bucks a piece. So, and this was the last item. This is the deadbolt. I'm going to add this to my garage door, actually. And it's 2-sided keys. 2-sided key entry. So I won't lock it when we're here, but I may lock them at night. Because anybody can get in your garage. And truth be told, if they want to break in that door, lead from your garage to your house, they could probably do it in 30 seconds flat if they wanted to. So I'm going to start locking this. And this was only, the double-sided deadbolt was $3.73. Keyed deadbolt lock. So just to create a little extra protection in these times we are in, because it's getting ugly out here. But I hope you appreciate this little cheap, you know, little clearance haul, little quick clearance haul. And again, subscribe to the channel. We still need things, but the prices are getting outrageous. But these prices beat stuff I was paying, you know, prices I was paying in the mid 2000s. So I'm always on the lookout for the clearance. I still garden. I'm going to keep my name for right now. I still garden. We going to get back on that. I actually just posted a short where our local Standard Feed in Jacksonville has fruit trees with the fruit on them already. So if you just starting and you know it's crunch time now, we need some food in our own yards. So yeah, it's a premium, $110 for those trees, but you might want to check them out if you are starting a food forest and want some food now. So again, we do thank you for watching this channel. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and ring the bell, because sometimes I am filming in the stores, posting it within 24 hours, deals you can actually run and get. I, unlike some others, always post the actual store I am in. So if you go into the description, you will get the address to the store. I've left it, but it's within 24 hours. Therefore, if you really need that deal, you can go catch it. So my name again is JC. And I want to remind you all to prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Be safe out there and pay attention. Bye-bye.